recording on TikTok. That's enough. Atis ulit. Just don't do it again.
Uuntong ka na naman.
No.
Hindi yan ang hilo.
One night.
Nag-i-angry na ako. Nag-i-angry na si Lola. Tago ka na naman. Ang galit ako. Tatago ka dyan. Nag-i-angry na ako. Ito, nakikakalat ko eh. Ano na yan? Talaga ko itong laruan yan.
So I'm gonna stop recording on TikTok again, okay?
Bawang na.
I know I'm looking, so wait, just what now? Just over your mind. I'm just eating. But first, when you finish the Oreo, you need to over your mind. Okay. Because I hear you watch Milo, that's why. Da!
Di, bigyan mga tinapay ka. Ano sa cabinet? Makibili na lang po, Benedict. Tayo na.
Sa'yo ah. Very done
Magkakalat ah.
Stop
Nag-i-angry na ako.
recording on TikTok, okay? I just tried the Roblox just like this. That's not funny, Sandra. Just stop recording TikTok, okay?
Walang
Okay,
magalit?
Mom.
Ha? Walang ganun
Mia.
ako?